What's up YouTube fam, welcome back. Today we have yet another eyeliner video. You know me by now and I know you, this is what you want to see. I've actually worn this eyeliner in a previous video but I never did a tutorial, and I saw it today on my friend Agnes on Instagram, which by the way is the most just stunning human being I've ever seen. So I feel like, you know, people are starting to want to have a little bit of fun with liners, so that's what we're going to do today. And that's all I want to say. Let's get into the video. Let's jump right into it. Use whatever liner you like that you have. Today I'm using the Isadora 81 Matte Black. This is a Swedish brand, so if you're anywhere outside of Sweden, you probably can't get a hold of it. If you can, it's great. If you can't, I've listed all my favorite felt tip liners down below. If you're here, I assume that you watched my previous or my first eyeliner tutorial before. This is where I kind of go through everything very theoretically. So if you haven't watched that, it's only 7 minutes. Go watch it. What you want to do with a hooded eye is, because it has that skin hanging over the lid right there, it makes it very difficult to draw on a straight liner. So you want to draw at the end of that crease, right over that. Make sure you completely relax. At the end of that fold, I'm just gonna draw a line crossing it. And then just draw that other line along how your fold is going, like, what's it called? Parallel to your fold. And then just fill it in. At the end, I like to really sharpen it up. Yes, I'm really liking the way that this is looking. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just, the last third of my lid, I'm just aligning that and connecting it to out here. I don't like to pull my eyeliner all the way in to my tear duct because it kind of closes my eye off because I have so little lid space. So I just do like maybe the outer third to the outer half kind of thing. And then the last step is just connecting. So I'm just filling in that area right here, thickening up basically the liner on the outer part and connecting it to the wing. Throwing on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, that's it with mascara on. What do you think? It's pretty, right? It's like, it's a liner, but it's like a little bit cooler, but it's like not too cool kind of thing. So I will be trying out the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I got samples from Sephora and I thought, why not try it on in a YouTube video, because I've heard great things about it and it seems like the type of foundation that I would love. I think it's like medium coverage, very glowy. So I have the shades light, light medium, medium, and tan, and I think I'm probably light medium. And what I usually do when I try out a mascara for the first time is one side of my face I apply with my fingers and the other side I try a brush or a beauty blender, but I'm probably gonna do a brush because I don't have my beauty blender here, and Lord knows I'm too lazy to go wet it. This is not a whole lot of foundation. I wonder if this will be enough for my face. Oh yeah, I will. I was just kidding. Ooh, that looks like a shade that could actually match me quite well. I'm just kicking it on now because what else am I gonna do with this? Actually, I could keep that for another time, but now I dip my finger in it, so that wasn't very hygienic. Let's try with our fingers here first to see how it feels on the skin. My skin is already primed. That, it's looking like it's got quite a lot of coverage. All right, that got messy. I'm just gonna do the brush on this side. That was a whole lot easier. But this foundation is impressing me. It's looking very flawless and natural on the skin. Like, it did give at least a medium coverage. I will be using my new favorite. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in G Medium 1. And what I do is I just, this is actually the 205 Detailed Setting Brush from Lair, but I'm gonna use it as my concealer brush. I like the fact that you could like pat it in like this. And then I try to not go too close to that liner, but I still want to like conceal away that redness that I have. And then if I have anything I want to cover, like I have a pimple right there, one right there, obviously one right here also. That's a new one. Welcome to the crew. For my bronzer, I'm going to use, you guys know that I'm obsessed with Cover FX products ever since I tried them. This is their bronzer drops in Sun Kissed. Love this shit. It's just the best. Putting 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And just trying to blend this in. Sometimes when I feel like this isn't really bronzing me enough, like today, I'm feeling very pale today. I thought in honor of Wonder Beauty, this hair is living its own life. I thought I'd use their Double Date Lip and Cheek. They have a cream blush in here. It's very peachy. And then they have like a balm that I usually use as a highlighter, but today I'm going to use that blush. It's a really nice cream blush formula. If you want to check out cream blushes, I can really recommend this one. It's, you know, easy to work with. It's not too opaque, you know, so that because I know that a lot of people that don't use a lot of cream products get a little bit frightened, but don't. This one is, you know, you can't really do too much with this one. So easy to work with, doesn't become patchy, and once you've applied it, it sits on the skin. I'm gonna use a balm. It's actually a balm for lips, but I'm gonna use it, you know, as a glowy, sweaty highlight. I actually don't need a highlighter that much because that blush did quite the job, but hell, why not? This is the Glossier Vanillic Lip in Driver. Let's do a little bit of that and see how well that matches the rest of the makeup. Maybe it'll give us a little bit of life to this look. All right. I'm liking this. It's very fall-y, you know, the polo, the eyeliner, the dark lipping, very autumn. I feel very autumny, very fall-y, very, oh, that hair. This hair has been fucking trying to destroy me all day. All right, that was it. I mean, in regards to the foundation, it's looking really good. Like, it definitely gave me coverage, at least medium. I think it's definitely buildable to be full coverage, but I can't see product on my skin anywhere. Not like, usually what happens is I get a little bit right here because I have a little bit of texture on my cheeks, like, you know, both enlarged pores and breakouts, and usually I'm also a little bit drier on the cheek, so if the foundation sits on the dry spots, that is usually where I see it. I don't see anything around my nose, which is also where I usually see if it's an issue. So I'm impressed. Okay, that was it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Once again, hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.